In this short video, I'm going to show you how to flip an image in Canva. So let's get started. First, open your design and then choose element you would like to flip or image you would like to flip. So I can choose this logo or I can choose myself. I already flipped myself. So what you need to do is click on your object or on your element on your image and just go here, click flip, and that's it. This is how can you do it. It's very simple, guys. I'm gonna show you one more time how to do it. So if you create a new design, for example, it will be your YouTube thumbnail, click on it, upload some image here. You can do it with, I don't know, this flower, this beautiful flower. And if you wanna flip it, just click here on your image, click flip, and you can flip also horizontally. So you can put it like in the corner here and it looks good. And this is how can you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to support this channel, subscribe to the channel and see you later. Goodbye.